Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to clean your phone storage by deleting not installed apps from the Google Play Store. So let's get started. First of all, open the Google Play Store on your phone. Then tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. After that, tap on Manage Apps and Device. Then here you select the Manage tab. Now tap on the This Device option. And then here you choose Not Installed. Now here you will see all the apps that you had installed before but deleted from your phone later. If you want to clean them, tap and select the apps you want to remove from this list. You can see these apps take up 1.5 GB in my Play Store history. So if I delete them, it cleans my Play Store and keeps my phone tidy. To delete them, just tap on the delete icon at the top. After that, tap on remove. Now all the not installed apps are deleted from your Play Store list. This keeps your phone running smoothly and your Play Store clean. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel.